right, I'm all the way up at the top of the lake. Now it should be clear sailing with the wind all the way back. And another little thing I have, this baby's going to be set up. The wind's not too bad right here, but once I get down around that corner, it really gets windy, so I don't want to be drifting too fast. So I'm going to set my drift bag up. Don't use this too often, but it comes in handy when you do use it. So I tie it off here. I put my nice little clip. A good old anchor trolley. Want it off the back of the boat. Further back the better. That way it's going to point me in the direction that I'm going. If I wanted to turn around and fish that way, I'd put it to the front. See this drift bag, I can control the opening at the back. The smaller I make it, the slower you'll drift, because it lets the water out slower. See here, it's got the metal in it, opens up, let the water catch it, that's it. We're ready to rock and roll. Once that catches, see if you can see that. Now she's opening up. Now we're drifting, baby. Baby. Let's take a better look at this drift bag for you. So that's basically all it does there. I only have it out that length. Slows you down just enough to fish. That's the anchor trolley. And it keeps pointing me in the right direction this way. Like I said, if I put the anchor trolley up here, it would turn my boat around and I'd be pointing back, I'd be facing that way. Then I could be casting into the wind. This way, I'm casting with the wind as I'm drifting down. So I highly recommend drift bags for you. Let's try one quick popper. I love my popper. I'll use a popper if you're fishing for salmon.